favorite SSDs for the new iPad Pro 12.9 inch. You need to be able to store all your homework assignments and videos and all those things. Starting off with this one, I was introduced to by Peter McKinnon. This one is my favorite SSD of all time. I've used a lot of SSDs, or solid state drives as they're also known as, but this one's my favorite. It's Lacie Rugged Pro SSD. I have the link in the description. It's amazing. I really like it. It's Thunderbolt 3/Thunderbolt 4. It does USB, so if you're wanting to plug it into your iPad or your new iPad Pro that is Thunderbolt, it's really amazing. And it's IP67 dust and water resistant, and it's insanely fast. You can transfer huge project files like 100 or 200 gigs almost instantaneous. It's astounding how fast it transfers. A well-known one that most people have heard of. This one is the one that MKBHD generally uses, but they're both amazing. And this one's the Samsung X5 Thunderbolt 3/Thunderbolt 4 portable SSD. It has insane read-write speed, up to 2,800 megabytes per second, read 2,100 megabytes per second write, which is an insane amount, especially with the new version of iPadOS. I've wanted this for so long. The newest version of iPadOS has a file transfer indicator, so you can tell how long a file is going to transfer for, but it's not really an issue with a Thunderbolt SSD. And now that the USB 4 spec is there, now you can use these with all sorts of USB things. Those are my two favorite Thunderbolt accessories. So if you're looking for Thunderbolt accessories, all the affiliated things linked in the video description, check those out. They're amazing. I love them. Either get either of those. They're both amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and